Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Impact Radius affiliate tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Impact Radius affiliate tracking, start by logging into your Impact Radius account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your account settings. Look for the Settings tab, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Settings to open the drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the options available. Within the Account Settings page, find the Tracking section. Click on Tracking to view your affiliate tracking options. You will see various tracking features related to your account. Locate the option labeled Affiliate Tracking or similar. To disable this feature, uncheck the respective checkbox. After unchecking, look for the Save Changes button, usually at the bottom of the page. Click on Save Changes to apply the modifications. A confirmation message may appear to indicate that your changes have been saved. If needed, double-check the Tracking section to ensure the affiliate tracking is disabled. Log out of your account for security. Consider clearing your browser cache to ensure no residual data affects your account. Revisit your Impact Radius account to confirm the settings are as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.